I will teach you how to complete a sale from your point of sale, POS, in this video. At every point when a deal is made, it is ideal the sale is recorded from your POS. First, click on POS, which will redirect you to a new page. For every sale, the customer might be a walk-in customer or an existing customer. If the customer is a walk-in customer, you can request her details and input them into your system. If he isn't willing, you can still complete the sale. However, if the customer is an existing customer, input the first 3 letters of the customer's name, and the full detail of the customer will be generated. Once this is done, input the product name. If the purchase is 1 unit, you can proceed to payment. However, if the quantity is more, input the quantity, and the amount will be updated. There are various payment methods such as credit sale, cash, card, and multiple pays. For the multiple payment options, a customer can request to make part payment with money and balance the rest using his card. Once you finalize the payment using your card on their POS machine, a receipt is automatically generated for your customer. This way, you can efficiently complete a sale from your POS. If you liked our video, please share it and subscribe to our channel.